All right, baby. This is a Glock 20, 10 mil, from about 20 yards. Gonna go steel first.
Boom. Boom.
Try to knock it off. I'm going clays now. Fuck.
I think you're going high. Oh! Cut the pole in half, bro. That's almost harder to hit than the clay.
It went like through the top of the clay.
Oh, damn. Yeah, look at that.
That was pretty rough shooting.
It went through the top of the clay
Look at that.
and split the pole right down the middle.
That's nuts. That is nuts.
You hit it at least a couple times.
Yeah, I definitely hit that a few times. Fun too.